In this video, I will show you how to generate a custom AI voice overview using NotebookLM. To get started, I'll navigate to the NotebookLM homepage and click the Create New button located at the top right of the screen. As the new workspace initializes, a window appears asking me to add my sources. I'll select the Upload Files option to choose a document from my local storage. Once the upload is complete, the document appears on the left, and a brief summary is generated in the center chat area. Now, I'll head over to the Studio section on the far right and click the button next to Audio Overview. This opens the customization window where I can refine how the AI hosts will talk. I'll select the brief format for a concise summary and keep the language set to English. In the text field, I'll provide a custom prompt, asking the AI to explain the core concepts as if I were a complete beginner, making sure to avoid any complex technical jargon. After clicking Generate, the system begins crafting the audio file. You'll see the loading indicator in the Studio panel while the AI analyzes the source text and prepares the script. This process takes a moment, and once it's finished, the audio player will automatically appear. Now that the generation is complete, I can listen to the full conversation right here. I'll click play to hear the AI hosts discuss the document in the simple, beginner-friendly tone I requested. I can also change the playback speed to suit my preference, or download the final file directly to my device. It's a great way to turn static documents into engaging, easy-to-understand conversations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.